Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So, yes, the crypto market is correcting a little bit up. So, we see a nice pump today. This is a trend reversal or just a cat that bounce that we see in this downtrend. So, we will look into. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. So everything just for your education and also for entertainment purposes only. So always do your own research and invest for long term with the dollar cost averaging, and also just learn more and then trade on spot or trade your favorite altcoins, but use stop loss and take profits. So guys, definitely follow us on Twitter at Corion Platform, and also join our Telegram t.me/CorionX. So guys, waiting for you, just coming into our Telegram and Twitter. So guys, let's jump into it. Smash those like, push the bell notification on, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And let's share my screen and let's see what the market is showing us today on our favorite bubble chart. Yes, good, great to see this green chart. So almost all the altcoins are in green. So the market is taking a breath and is pumping a little bit. And we see Phantom up 17%, GLMR 35%, One Harmony 12%, Matic 17%, rose 27%, Near Protocol broke up 21%, and also BitTorrent is up almost 17%. Our favorite Cardano is up 11%, so good to see. Curve is up 10%, and in the meantime, Bitcoin is up 4%. It's traded about 4,300 $43,000 US dollar. So it's up because the previous resistance was at 42,000, and Ethereum is back about 3,200. So good to see that all the major altcoins are pumping. Also, Binance coin is up almost 10%. So great to see. Just Hex is going down, but Hex used to pump when others are dumping. Let's check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. And yes, it is at 21 because yesterday the market was really bearish and lots of fear out there. But yesterday the index was at 23. The market was is in really bad condition, and now the index went to 21. But guys, remember, on Saturday the index went as low as 10, and 10 is the lowest level we have seen since the dump in the summer dump. So we, as you see, during summer 4-5 times the index dumped to these extreme fear levels at 10, and now also we're seeing the index coming down to those levels. And guys, when investors are getting so fearful that it's always a good buying opportunity, when investors are getting really it's due for a correction. And there is a saying from Warren Buffett that be greedy when others are fearful and be fearful when others are greedy. So then we have to be greedy now and buying because others are fearful. Okay, let's go and check our first news. Bitcoin returns to 42,000 US dollar as bets start favoring short squeeze higher for BTC. Okay, so short squeeze when lots of short positions should be closed because the price starting to going up, and avoiding liquidation. They used to they have to close the shorts, and they closing shorts with buying, and buying pressure is pushing the price up. This is the short squeeze. Short-term squeeze reasonably likely. Yes, on chain details. Yeah, what do we have? Alongside very oversold indicators in on-chain spending activity, this suggests a short squeeze is actually a reasonably likely near-term resolution for the market, the newsletter concluded. And I think we will look into on Twitter. So this is the Bitcoin price, and this is the futures open interest leverage ratio. And we see the open interest is still high, but yeah, we have almost the same amount like long and shorts, but maybe shorts is coming from traders, and the long side is coming from market makers and not from traders. This is the difference, because I think retail long traders just were shaken out in the past few weeks. Okay, for every short there is a long. Yes, happened in August in 2021, as we moved off the 30,000 bottom. Think we probably see that play out again. Bears bought the be wiped clean. Okay, so bears will be wiped clean. So this is the price, and the green is the Binance short positions, if I'm right. Yes. Okay, so this is something that we have to follow, and if the short will come, that Bitcoin can definitely bounce to 46,000, but at 46,000 there will be a major resistance. Let's go to our next news. Okay, world's biggest podcaster Joe Rogan has a lot of hope for Bitcoin. Okay, the podcaster said that crypto will either fall apart completely or will give society an opportunity to come up with a better way to live our lives. Yes, hope so. It's either going to fall apart completely, or we are going to use this as an opportunity to right the ship and came up with a better way to live our lives. The money system is broken, it causes inflation, it causes misery, it causes wars because it is linked to oil. Yes. Rogan's vision for the metaverse: you will have crypto, you will have digital wallet, it will be directly from the Federal Reserve to you, and there will be a little retail banking that just won't happen anymore. So this is his opinion about CBDCs, but he is still open-minded in about metaverses. Apple could easily do that, and you would buy coins, and through those coins you would buy products. It's almost like another version of stocks or something. Okay. Cool. Great news. Welcome, Joe Rogan. Welcome in crypto. Next piece of news is, as Bitcoin dips, seasoned trader Tom Weiss says BTC just flashed a mega bullish signal. Tom Weiss used to be bearish, but now he seems to be bullish again. Okay, I don't have much bad news for you. The bad news took place in the prior 2 months. This is great news. Look, you have a weekly MRI buy. This is something we have not had in a long time, and they don't come around that often. So this quote from Tom Weiss, and let's continue. I personally believe we are going to rally back into the triangle by the time this month is over. Can we go down to 35,000 US dollar before that? Yes, it's possible. But I am literally bullish right now. Can it dip further? Yeah, of course, it can dip further. It could dip down to 20,000 US dollar, but he's still bullish, and he expects that Bitcoin will go back in this triangle. We have to go all the way back to September 2014 to find an MRI buy candle that didn't immediately rally the market in the short term or the intermediate term. I'm going to take these odds. Okay, and what's this MRI? Let's check this. Can we make this bigger? Let's try to make this bigger. Where is this MRI? Where is this MRI? Okay, maybe this is the MRI. Okay, I don't know what's the MRI. So he has maybe these moving averages or kind of MRI. Cool. Momentum reversal indicator. So MRI is the momentum reversal indicator, and this should be the MRIs. This should be the MRIs if I'm reading the chart right. So this is the MRI, and it should turn there. Cool. Let's go to our next news. Billionaire investor Bill Miller puts 50% of net worth in Bitcoin. So guys, 50% net worth in Bitcoin. Allocating 50% of his personal net worth to BTC and related equity. Okay. Okay, cool. That's good. And also he's allocating some funds to MicroStrategy and to Stronghold Digital Mining. And Bill Miller is an early Amazon investor. Miller owns almost 100% of the rest of his portfolio in Amazon, he noted. So 50% Bitcoin, another 50% in Amazon stocks. Okay, Miller bought his first Bitcoin back in 2014 when BTC was trading around $200 and then purchased a little bit more over time when it became 500. The investor didn't buy it for years until BTC plummeted to $30,000 after hitting around 66,000 in April. Okay. He also pointed out Bitcoin's scarcity, meaning that only 21 million Bitcoin can be created. I think the average investor should ask himself or herself, what do you have in your portfolio that has that kind of track record? Number one, is very, very underrepresented, can provide a service of insurance against financial catastrophe that no one else can provide, and can go up 10 times or 50 times. The answer is nothing. So this is a good approach. I like this, and also definitely follow what these millionaires are doing, and also other millionaires are just mimicking these millionaires. So this is definitely a great example. Next piece of news is Ethereum price to rise above 3,700 by the end of January. Here is what traders can expect for Q1 2022 for Ethereum. ETH price dropped to below $3,000 and then rise and close below 3,200 may spark a strong recovery. So now we are above these levels. Okay, now it's rising. The next key hurdle is near $3,200 and above which the price might gain strength. So now we are there, and also the 50-week moving average is holding up well, following its first stance since May 2021. The next levels to watch for inner bullish momentum to propel ETH to 3,700 and 4,120 by end of January. What's in store for Ethereum price in coming days? If we do see Ethereum over the coming weeks and months reclaim this area up here at $4,000, I do think we are going to be a continuation of the trend that we saw in 2021. So guys, this is a good news, and I think Ethereum was really undervalued when it dipped below $3,000. Next piece of news is Bitcoin. Bitfarms might be the latest to buy the dip with 1,000 BTC purchase. Okay, so Bitfarm is a mining company, and Bitfarms has announced the purchase of 1,000 Bitcoin for more than 43 million US dollar, bringing its collection to over 4,300 Bitcoin. This reportedly took place in the first week of January 2022. So they bought the dip and they purchased Bitcoin. And this is a mining company. So also they are producing Bitcoin, they are mining Bitcoin, but also they bought Bitcoin. With the dip in BTC while mining hardware price remain high, we seized the opportunity to move cash into BTC. We continue to be committed to executing our operational growth strategy and delivering our goal of 8 exahash per second by the end of 2022. Okay, so they are mining and they are increasing their exahash per second. This is the velocity and this is the price of BTC according to Glassnode. Okay, collateral damage in Kazakhstan, but it's not an issue anymore. Okay, next piece of news is NBA players Klay Thompson and Ray Iguodala to get paid in Bitcoin. So I am with Bitcoin because I believe in the future of money, Thompson said in an announcement tweet yesterday. Okay, Bitcoin is the future. Klay Thompson and I are both believers, said Iguodala tweeted. So guys, this is huge that these NFL, NBA athletes are taking their salary in Bitcoin. The Golden State Warriors stars will receive a portion of their salary in Bitcoin and donate a 1 million US dollar in BTC each. So guys, this is great news and great to see that these athletes are taking their salary in Bitcoin. Next piece of news is Teslas may be paying for themselves as owners begin mining crypto, making money with Teslas. Okay, so a guy just used his Tesla, connected his computer, his Apple Mac, and mining M1 by plugging his computer into the inverter that is connected into the 12-volt power socket in his car console, which serves as the main power source for his mining activities. So he mined Bitcoin, or yeah, he mined crypto, but the Tesla battery should be also recharged. So I don't know why he's plugging in his laptop into the Tesla. Maybe he can charge the Tesla for free. That is the reason. If it's cheaper doing through an electric vehicle, then so be it. And he succeeded to mine almost reportedly earn up to 800 US dollar a month last year by doing this. So if he mined 100 US dollar worth of crypto, then I think it's a good thing to follow and do this. Let me know, guys, in the comment section if do you want a Tesla or not, and if you want a Tesla, will you mine crypto with your Tesla or not? Okay, guys, so let's go and check our Telegram channel. So, guys, definitely join our Telegram. You find the link in the description. And also, we have some nice posts. We have some other farms on Binance Smart Chain, on Ethereum, the video from yesterday, some Twitter posts here, contract addresses on Ethereum and on Binance Smart Chain, the video from yesterday, if Bitcoin will hold if the support will hold Bitcoin at about 40,000. Now it seems to be that it holds, and also we have the new video update from Ambassador recapping about CorionX, all the achievements in last year. So definitely check out our Twitter, our Telegram, and also come and follow me at MIKLO as Dankler on Twitter and also follow at Corion platform on Twitter. So we have some nice posts that I shared. This is from Real Clementi, and you see Bitcoin has now spent 7 days below 45,000 prior range low, and still no major open interest wipeout. Either there is a sufficient demand done at these levels, low 40s, or this open interest is not aggressive longs. So there is no wipeout in open interest. Open interest is still high, but these open interest also can be shorts, almost shorts that backed by market makers. From Zusu, illiquid supply has been rising sharply since July 2021, in line to the accumulation trend from January 2018 to April 2021. So that was the accumulation and also illiquid supply rise, and now also we see accumulation and illiquid supply is rising, and this is the supply shock ratio. Also another tweet, Zusu, dormancy flow buy signal on BTC were rare only 6 times in history. So dormancy flow when most of the Bitcoins are dormant and they are not moving. And we see in the major dips, the dormancy flow went so low that signaled that something should be happen. That was in March and in May, and also during the bear market in 2018. So it's signaling a buy this dormancy flow only 6 times in the history. Next piece of tweet, global crypto adoption will jump from almost 400 million to more than 1.5 billion people in 2022. So I don't think that we are at 400 million. I would suppose we are about 150 million, but if this is right, also 1.5 billion is far away, and lots of crypto adoption will happen until we reach that target. Next news breaking, Fed Chairman Powell says ready to release Bitcoin and crypto. So this is good for crypto. And also tweet from Dan Herder, Goldman Sachs in 2017, Bitcoin is a vehicle for fraudsters. Goldman Sachs in 2022, Bitcoin will continue to overtake gold. 100,000 US dollar is a possibility, not a possibility, an inevitability. Inevitability, yes. Okay, some posts from CorionX. Check out our videos. And also I share this. This is the dormancy flow. Yeah. And we have some tweets from Meist Deutscher about Phantom. If you like Phantom, that definitely check out this thread. And also, as I told you, this 40,000 US dollar is a really, really strong support. It was a strong resistance in the past, especially a year ago in January. Bitcoin peaked at 41,000, and also several times tried to break it up and succeeded. And then also in September acted as a support, and now still acting as a support. So guys, let's go and check out charts. So charts is the chart of Link. I really like how Link is going up on this trend line. And I just want to buy some Link one touching the trend line and putting some stop loss below. But this is not financial advice. Do your own research. I like Link, and I think Link was really undervalued at this low 20 US dollar levels. Let's check Bitcoin, and I'm drinking some water. So this is the Bitcoin on the daily chart, and you see this 40,000 US dollar acted as a support, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row, just hasn't closed below this support level, and now we see a small bump, but this is not serious. I think the next major level to watch is at 46,000. If Bitcoin will able to break to 46, I think definitely it will be rejected, maybe for the first time. And also we can come back every time to this 40,000 support zone. If that would be break down, then for 36,000 the next support zone. And you see we have lots of 46, 48, 50, 53. All these are resistance ahead. Okay, I think I see that the Bitcoin shorts increased a little bit, so that is why I suppose that most of the open interest is coming from shorts. And if I'm checking Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin went below 40, but now came back, and maybe it will just increase to 44, and would result that altcoins will be lagging. But once Bitcoin will consolidate, then we will see a nice altcoin pump. Yes, what else? Let's check Ethereum. Ethereum is back above 3,000. That's good news. And also now at this crucial level, 3,200, that should be held. And then we can continue to 3,400 if that will hold. So good to see. And also let's check out Phantom. Phantom did reverse here well. So good to see that Phantom is really strong. And also we have the continuation after the breakout. And what else? Yes, let's check out Matic. Matic is doing well. Matic passed on our horizontal resistance at 1.92 yesterday, and Matic rallied really well. So the next resistance is at 2.2. If it will close about, then we can expect a nice move to the upper trend line of this zone. One Harmony wants to break out and wants to make a new all-time high, and also One Harmony broke this small cap and holder and haven't reached the price target yet. So definitely take your eyes on One Harmony. And what else? Okay, I just want to check Sand, what Sandbox is doing. So Sandbox, yeah, so it came down and find some support at 4.3. That was the previous high. So that is why it's acting as support now. It would be great to see a Sand bouncing here. Okay, guys, so that is for today. Please write in the comment section which altcoins do you want to look into and do some short technical analysis. So just give your suggestion. And also, I think Atom should also doing well. But now Atom is consolidating, but also Atom broke out. So that's good to see. So guys, smash those like, push the bell notification, or share this with friends. Be sure to visit our farms at app.corion.io. You will find the Binance Smart Chain farms. You can add liquidity on PancakeSwap in CorionX BNB and CorionX BUSD, and you will earn up to 144% APRs. If you are holding ERC20 version of CorionX, that you are able to earn up to 3,300% APRs. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for liking. Thank you for listening. And I will certainly be talking to you, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.